Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to WPNN. My name is Elena.
And my name is Zoe. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Homecoming is just around the corner, and it's time to nominate candidates for the Homecoming Court of 2023.
Seniors, to be a nominee for Homecoming King or Queen, you must be nominated by a club, team, or organization on campus. And each group can only nominate one person each for King and Queen. Please check in with your sponsor or coach if you are interested in running for Homecoming Queen or King.
Freshmen, sophomores, and juniors can self-nominate for Homecoming Count Countess, Duke Duchess, and Prince Princess.
All homecoming candidates will need to attend one of the candidates meeting with Miss Rock before posting any campaign materials on campus or on social media.
The candidates meeting will be held tomorrow, Thursday, September 7th, after school at 3:35, or Friday, September 8th, during the last 10 minutes of your side lunch.
Candidates meetings will be held in the tourist room 2121. Teachers and staff, please send Ms. Rock your senior candidates for Homecoming King or Queen by this Thursday.
Panthers, the 2023 Homecoming Dance is coming up this month. The year's dance in Night in Wonderland will be held on Saturday, September 23rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at Heritage. The cost is $25 and tickets will be sold on campus September 13 to 22nd.
To bring a guest to homecoming that is not a Heritage High student, you must complete a guest approval form before purchasing your tickets. Please note, no tickets will be sold at the door and this event will probably sell out, so be sure to get your tickets early.
Seniors, are you interested in painting a parking spot? You must have already purchased a parking spot and received your parking pass. If you're interested, you must pick up and return a permission form from the guidance office.
Seniors, when painting your spot, you must bring your own paint and painting supplies. The cost is $20 cash. The date to paint is this Saturday, September 9, from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m.
This afternoon, our volleyball team will compete against our rival, Bayside High. The volleyball games start with freshmen that play at 5:15, JV plays at 6:15, and varsity plays at 7:15. Please plan to come and cheer them on.
Also, this afternoon, our JV football team will travel to Vieira High School. The JV game kicks off at 6 p.m.
Don't forget to wear our heritage shirts tomorrow or the color blue. Our varsity football team will play Sentinel High School here at home, and kickoff is at 7 p.m.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!